Hello, we are Galaxtars. I am Joshika and my teammate is Vishika. We will be covering the contents as shown in the table. First of all, we will talk about our chosen problem statement. So, we have decided to work on Zalora problem statement. Now we'll be introducing our solution. So, our solution is an application feature in Zalora that obtains measurements for apparel and shoes based on the photos uploaded by customers. Hence, customers are able to filter the product based on their measurements to prevent purchasing the wrong size. The image shows how the program will work to get the measurements from the photos. Our solution walkthrough starts when user upload their photo at account homepage. So the system will obtain measurements and notify the customer when the measurements have been saved. This data will be useful when it comes to filtering the right size product for the customer when browsing through. This is possible as the system will cross-check with the actual size, the size conversion chart to determine the size category of the customer. When adding it to the cart, the system will automatically input their size, thus will not prompt for a size when adding it to the cart, which is the existing feature now. Hence, it provides a stress-free experience as they can be guaranteed that they are purchasing the right size product. Moreover, uploading and changing the photos will be done under the accounts page. Moving on, we are proceeding to the further delivery of our solution. This is the data flow diagram for our solution. Here we can see a user can upload a photo where the system will read it. Hence, measurements will be obtained and stored in the RDS database. The second part starts when user logs into the system. Information and measurements of the user will be obtained from the RDS. When browsing for a product, the system gets all the product that matches with the user measurements and auto-selects the product size for them. Then it finally displays all the available and relevant products for customers to purchase. Moving on, this is our simplified story map and our use case diagram. Next, this is our wireframe and its functionality explained in details. Now, we are going to discuss our impact on our solution. So it benefits the Zalora customer as they can be confident that they are purchasing the right size. Thus, it is time-saving and stress-free. Thanks to the effectiveness of this application, it reduces human error and provides a trouble-free environment. Next, we believe a solution will make a big impact on Zalora customer and the company itself. So the company can now cater to customer satisfaction as our solution is very feasible, simple, and easy to implement. It is very straightforward and also new to the market when comparing it to Shein, Lazada, and even Shopee in Singapore context. Furthermore, company can save money and resources as there will be less refunds made by choosing the wrong size. Our solution will be fresh and unique based on other e-commerce companies such as Zara and more. So what our solution can bring to the table is that it guarantees measurements will be taken correctly, leading to customer satisfaction as it leverages on consistency. Next, the important part of our solution will be architecture diagram for our cloud implementation. So this is the diagram. And we use the same cloud application that Zalora is currently using. I'll be talking in depth on this diagram. User will be able to upload a photo, and this photo will be uploaded into the S3 bucket. Thus, it triggers the Lambda code that contains a Python file that helps to obtain measurements from the photo. After these measurements will be added into the Amazon RDS. Moreover, the user will get notified of the measurements using an Amazon Simple notification service. Now, we will conclude this presentation. Thank you for listening to our pitch.